I'm driving around listening to Myron Golden's Be, Do, Have lesson, and it has reminded and reinforced in me why I am where I am and am doing what I'm doing. First and foremost, be. And this is, he brings this from Genesis, where where the Lord tells man, be fruitful and multiply and subdue the earth. It's be, do, and have. And so for me, it starts with be. I am a Christian. And interesting, the phrase I am, that's the name of God. So essentially, I am being identified by God's name twice. I do trading. Now, I am a trader, but I do trading. And then I have overcome all of those things that hold us back as traders. And the center point of the overlap of those three areas, as you can see in this Venn diagram that the editor has popped up here, the overlap in those three areas is the success zone. And it's that area that has driven me to reach out to other traders and to try to get them to that as well. It all starts with the be. You can substitute the do for anything. I do trading. You could say I do sell cars, or I do plumbing, or in any of those areas, and it would still have the same overlap of success and hopefully the same overlap of drive to help others. But it all starts off with the be, and you can't just have a roadmap for making the do or the have better without starting with the be there. So that is why I do what I do, and why I have what I have. So because it all starts with I am who He has made me to be.